Hi, this is our team, and we are going to show our PIA. Throughout this course, we have seen different topics related mainly to buying and selling in companies. In this work, we will show a sales plan, the steps of the sales cycle that we met previously in the other evidence, the tools of motivation, training, and evaluation, proposals, and different elements, but now apply in the Mexican company Bimbo. And also, we will see how this company expands its operations to other customers. First, we have the sales cycle. And the first step is prospect customer. Here, Bimbo has to recognize its potential customers, who can be children, for example. Then the pre-approach or planning. This is when Bimbo workers have to think of strategies and actions to reach those potential customers.
The third point is approach, where Bimbo has to choose the right time and price point of sale, so they can approach the right customers and offer the product. The fourth one is the presentation. In this one, Bimbo begins presentation and communication to the potential buyers where it needs to show sympathy and gain their trust. Red Cross is the fifth one. Bimbo needs to understand its buyers, convince them of making a decision by taking the form of questions that will ask for decisions to determine our selling points. The sixth, third by objection. In this one, Bimbo has to face obstacles, not achieving the sales or having disagreements with the customers. Bimbo will give a survey about its products and leave an open space for suggestions of people so the company can know what to modify and see which products people are consuming more. 7. Meet the objection. Bimbo has to acknowledge that the customer's requirements, but if things are put in hold, the deal is not crossed yet. Now, the trail cross. Bimbo will have to consider using the technology and automated services solutions to finish the purchase and cross the contract. In the ninth step, the cross, once the client got captivated, Bimbo will now focus on cross the deal with the customers. And the last one, but not less important, the follow-up service. In this one, Wipro will focus on doing what is necessary to retain the customers by providing them with a service and tools in order to give them the chance to handle their products comfortably and build loyalty to the company. Now I'm going to present you 5 selling strategies. 1. Inbound selling. In this one, the inbound sellers will focus on finding the pain points and its prospect and as someone that can be trusted and adapting the sales process during the customer's buying cycle. Upselling. Bimbo will seek to offer the client in the moment of the selling a product of bigger value with improvements differing to the ones that the customers planned to get that respects the necessity of the customer's needs. Push sales. Bimbo shall use several marketing techniques to push a product to the new consumers to promote their new products and inspire the customer wishes. The demonstration. In this one, Bimbo shows a presentation of the products that will increase the selling expectations even to the point of getting closer to complete the deal, but has to analyze the customer needs. And the last one, but not less important, the social media. Bimbo can make deals with social media companies such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, or several other websites to be their sponsor.
Now I'm going to talk about the buying behavior of potential customer in the marketplace. Now, thinker, the way of this customer to analyze your product is through the nutritional label because they want to know what the product is made of and the benefits it will bring. Twitter, the way this wish this client will analyze us could be by observing the way we are presenting the brand. As they are creative people, we have to present the product in a creative way depending on the context of the country. Pillar. This type customer likes to investigate the brand. If we cause a good reaction in the customer, they will be loyal to us because it is one of these characteristics. Something that is important is that this customer likes the traditional, so it is important to be true to our style and not forget the main products. Sensor. This type of customer is analytic and perfectionist, so we should not miss in any details. If the product is not what they expect, there are not many possibilities that in the future will conceive it, except that they notice some change. And now, self-for structure. First is the chart-based industry vertical structure. This type of organizational chart is a perfect fit for Bimbo because different industries or stores use its products and sell them in different ways. The benefit of this organizational chart are the relatively smart department as managers closely control their teams. And now, the training tools. We think about single communication, increase people knowledge, start with the basis, invest in webinars, inspire nature, and motivate. Now, a motivation tool we think is building trust with your salespeople, design a relevant and continuous training plan, set short or long-term goals, let the members choose their words, and listen to what they need. And for finish, Salesforce performance evaluation tools. And we think about acquisition of new customers, customer retention rate, sales per seller, response time to potential customers, and rate of follow-up.
Of the tools named above, we consider that there is one of each type that is better for the relationship with potential customers. For example, for motivational tools, is the build trust with the salespeople. For the training tools, is increase product knowledge, and for the evaluation tools, is a good response time.
For executive summary, this executive summary includes a brief description of the most relevant aspects of the transaction. It is complemented with the more detailed information and the final information included in other sections, as well as with the report pointing out each of the most resolved issues, such as the purchase strategies and sales that is implemented. The Bimbo group uses strategies such as trust and saying what is needed. Sales people present customer first and offer a high quality product and give the experience focuses on the need either by the quality, price, weather, etc. The implement social media strategies to interact with customers. To conclude with the project of the importance of the sales process for organizational development, we can highlight the importance of the knowledge that must be developed in the Bimbo staff, are the curve of the technical strength of sales, as well as the importance of correct analysis of site information, since the correct evaluation will artists implement within the different process.
And this all for our team. Thanks.